In this video, we shall be taking a look at simplification of algebraic expression, also basic operations in algebraic expression. We perform different operations in algebraic expression like addition, subtraction, division, and multiplication. Let's also solve some examples. Example 1 says, simplify the following. 1. 3x multiplied by 2. 2. 2p multiplied by 4. So how do we solve this? Here we have both 3x and 2 multiplying each other. So what is 3x multiplied by 2? This is equal to what? 6x. And 2p multiplied by 4. 2 multiplied by 4 will give us 8. Then p, 2. So we have 8p. I hope you understand this. It's just like our normal multiplication that we do. The only difference here is we are having a variable multiplying a coefficient. So what we just do is we just multiply everything together. That is how we are having our answer to be like that. So example 2 says 8y divided by 2. 4xy divided by 2x, and 3, 8x divided by 4x. So how do we solve it? Very simple and straightforward, like we do in our normal division. Here we just have 8y carrying a variable. So what do? We have our 8 over 2. So how do we solve this? 2 can go in 8. How many times? 4. So I have 2 here, 1, 2 here, 4. So my answer is equal to 4y. Number 2, I have 4xy divided by 2x. If we check the denominator and the numerator, you can see they both have x in common. So what do? We have to strike out the x because x will divide x. So I have my x out. Also, we have 2 and 4. So 2 can go in 4. So I have 2 here, 1, 2 here, 2. So I'm left with what? 2y. So my answer here is equal to 2y. Also number 3, I have 8x divided by 4x. X is common to both the denominator and the numerator, so I strike out my x here, x here. So also 4 can go in 8, so I have my 4 here, 1, 4 here, 2. So I'm left with what? 2. So my answer is equal to 2. Also, to simplify some algebraic expressions, we have to follow a procedure called BODMAS. So what does BODMAS mean? BODMAS means, first you have to understand that BODMAS is an acronym that means something. So let me give you what BODMAS means. It means B stands for bracket, O stands for off is also multiplication, but O stands for off, D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition, S for subtraction. So that is the meaning of BODMAS. Can you see that? You have to know this as it is very, very important. So when simplifying any algebraic expression, we must follow BODMAS rule. That is, we solve the ones in bracket first, followed by half, division, multiplication, addition, and lastly subtraction. So we have to follow that order. Also note that when I'm multiplying positive and positive, so plus multiplied by plus will give me what? Positive. which is equal to plus. So minus multiplied by minus, which is negative times negative, will give me positive. Negative times positive, which is minus times plus, will give me negative. Plus times minus, which is positive, times negative, will give me negative, which is minus. Also, this is very, very important, and it will be useful for us in our solving mathematics. So let us solve some examples. Example 1 says, simplify 3x plus 4x minus 2x. So we have 3x plus bracket open 4x minus 2x bracket closed. So how do we solve this? We solve the one in bracket first, following BODMAS rule. So I have it to be 3x into bracket 4x minus 2x. So solving the one in bracket first, I have 4x minus 2x, which is giving me what? 2x. So can you see that? So if I now add my 3x to it, which is positive, so 3x plus 2x will give me what? 5x. I hope you understand this, which is pretty cool. So also simplify 8y plus 2 into bracket 3y minus 2. How do we solve this? We solve the one in bracket first, also following BODMAS rule. So I have 8 plus, we open the brackets here. So I remember the rules I gave you, that plus times plus is plus, minus times minus is plus, minus times plus is minus. So here, opening the brackets, you can see that plus 2 is carrying plus 2 out. Can you see? So if I'm multiplying that plus 2 through with the values or the times I have in the bracket, so I have 2 plus 2 multiplied by 3y, which is equal to plus 6y. So also plus 2 multiplied by minus 2 in the bracket, plus times minus will give me minus. I have minus 4. Do you understand that? Good. So here I'm having 8y plus 6y minus 4. Which one are we solving first? The addition, because addition will be solved before subtraction, following BODMAS rule again. So I have 8y plus 6y, I have 14y minus 4. This cannot be solved further, so I'll leave my answer to be 14y minus 4. Example 3. Example 3 says simplify 2 into bracket x plus y plus z plus x plus y plus 2z. How do we solve this? We have both in brackets, so we open up the brackets. So how do we solve it? We multiply 2 through by what we have in the brackets. In the first side, can you see that? So I have 2 times x, 2x, 2 times plus y, I have 2y, 2 times plus z, I have 2z. Also the second one, we just open the bracket. So you can see that we have addition outside, so we multiply it through. So I have plus times x, I have plus x plus y and plus 2z. So solving this further, before we do our addition, we have to collect like terms together. So collecting like terms together means we put the one in x together, the one in y together, and the one in z together. So I have 2x plus x plus 2y plus y plus 2z plus 2z. So adding this together, I have 2x plus x will give me 3x, 2y plus y will give me 3y, then 2z plus z will give me 4z. So that's my answer. Example 4 says simplify 3x plus 3 over 2 of 4. So here, BODMAS, we have bracket of, so we solve of first. So following the BODMAS rule, we solve the of first. So we have 3x plus 3 over 2 of 4. So what is 3 over 2 of 4? It means 3 over 2 times 4. So if we have 3 over 2 times 4, so 3 times 4 will give me 12 divided by 2. So 12 divided by 2 will give me what? 6. That is why we have that. So here we are now left with 3x plus what? 6. I can't do this further. That is how we leave our answer.